Good morning, children. Sai Ram. So, last class we saw in exercise number 3.1 addition of sums, right? So, now we are going to continue with the exercise number 3.1. Exercise number 3.1, fourth one. Exercise number 3.1 in this fourth sum. Tick the number in the inner circle. Read the question carefully. Listen to the question carefully, children. Tick the number in the inner circle. We have two circles, right? This is inner circle. In that we have three numbers, and we have one more circle. In that we have two numbers, right? Tick the number in the inner circle, which is the, how will you tick the number in the inner circle? So, which is the sum? Sum means addition. Which is the sum of the numbers given in the outer circle? Outer circle, two numbers are given, right? If you add that, if you find the sum of that two numbers, you will get an answer that you are going to tick in the inner circle. Shall we? Yes, now tell me what all the numbers are there in the outer circle that we are going to add that. Shall we add that? 23,175. With this, I am going to add again 9,120. Add and tell me the answer now, children. Yes. 5 plus 0. How will you add the numbers? First, you have to add the ones place, isn't it? So, we have 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. 5. Very good. So, right below the ones place. Then what else we have? Second, move on to the tens place. 7 and 2. Keep 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, I'm going to add two numbers, right? 7, 8, 9. Now, add the hundreds place. 1 plus 1. Add 1 plus 1. 1 in the mind. After 1, I'm going to add only one number, right? 1 plus 1, 2. Now add the thousands place now. 3 and 9. Add 9 and 3 or 3 and 9. I'm keeping 9 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 9, I'm going to add 3 numbers. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2, I'm writing it here. And 1, I'm carrying it over the 10,000 place. Shall we add the 10,000 place now? Yes. So 2 and 1, I'm going to add 1 and 2. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3. So, what is the answer? Now tell me. 32,295. So, what is the answer? 32,295. So, if I add these two numbers, the answer is 32,295. So, tick this number. Understood, children? Tick the number in the inner circle. So, what number to tick? That we'll see. Which is the sum of the numbers given in the outer circle. So, we are going to add the numbers in the outer circle, and that sum we are going to tick in the inner circle. So, the answer is when we add 2,175 and 9,120, the answer is 32,295. Now we will move on to the exercise number 3.2. Exercise number 3.2. Find the sum. Find the sum. What do you mean by sum? Addition. Same. Addition. We are going to do addition. Now we are going to add three numbers. Shall we add this? First one, A. 21,406. We are going to add 21,406, 37,582, 10,275. Shall we add these three numbers? Yes. So first we'll add the ones place. So how will you add three numbers? First add two numbers. So first take two digits. So 6 and 2. Add 6 and 2 and tell me the answer now. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. With this 8, I am going to add, what is the third one? 5. With this 8, I am going to add 5. 8 plus 5, 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is the answer? 13. It's a 2-digit number. So write 3 in the ones place, and this 1 is carried over to the tens place. 1 is carried over to the tens place. Shall we add the tens place now? Yes. Don't forget to add the carry over. So I'm adding it in front. Okay, in the first. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. If you add any number to 0, the answer will be the same. 1 plus 0 is 1. With that 1, I'm going to add the next one, 8. 8 plus 1 or 1 plus 8. We can add in any order, right? So I'm keeping 8 in the mind. After 8, I'm going to add only one number. After 8, 9. With this 9, I'm going to add the last one, 7. 9 plus 7. Add and tell me the answer now, children. 9 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's a 2-digit number. So write 6 here, and this 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Shall we add the hundreds place now? Now 1 plus 4 or 4 plus 1. Add and tell me now, 4 plus 1 or 1 plus 4. After 4, I'm going to add only one number. 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. With this 5, I'm going to add 5 more to it. 5 plus 5. 5 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With this 10, so 5 plus 5 is 10. With this 5, with this 10, I'm going to add the last number 2. Add and tell me. 0 plus 2, 2. And this 1 will come down, or else 10 in the mind, 2. After 10, I'm going to add two numbers, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. It's a 2-digit number. So write 2 in the ones place. 2 in the hundreds place. And carry over that 1 to the thousands place. Next one. So I've carried that 1 to the thousands place. Shall we add the thousands place now? 1 plus 1. 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 1, 2. So with this 2, I'm going to add 7 more to it. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. We can add in any order. So I'm keeping 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. With this 9, I'm going to add 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. So write 9 below the thousands place. Is there any carry over? No. So write 9 directly. Then we'll add the 10,000 place. Shall we add the 10,000 place now? 2 plus 3. Add 2 on 3 and tell me the answer now. 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. With this 5, I'm going to add one more to it. After 5, I'm going to add one more. After 5, 6. So the answer is, so write 6 below the 10,000 place. What is the answer? 69,263. Answer is 69,263. While adding, first we have to add the ones place, then the tens place, then hundreds, 10,000, 1,000 and 10,000. So first 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 3 I have written here and 1 will be carried over to the tens place. Then add the tens place. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 6 I'm writing it here. 1 I'm carrying over to the next place, hundreds place. Add the hundreds place now. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So 2 I'm writing it here. 1 I'm carrying over to the thousands place. Now add the thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. So write it down. Then we'll add the 10,000 place. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 69,263. Shall we move on to the next one? 7 lakh. We are going to add the three numbers. First number is 7,13,246. Second number is 32,000 32,708. 32,708. Third one, 15,001. 15,001. Shall we add this number, 3 numbers? So first we'll add the ones place, right? So first take the first these two numbers and we'll add 6 and 8. Now tell me the answer now, children. 6 plus 8 or 8 plus 6? I'm keeping 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 plus 8 is 14. With this 14, I'm going to add one more to it. So 14 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So this one will come down. So 15. 14 plus 1. After 14, I'm going to add one number. After 14, 15. It's a 2-digit number. So write 5 here and this 1 is carried over to the tens place. 1 is carried over to the tens place. Shall we add the tens place now? Yes. Now 1 plus 4 or 4 plus 1. After 4, I'm keeping 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 1. I'm going to add only one number. 4 plus 1, 5. With this 5, I'm going to add 0 to it. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. Again 0. Add 5 plus 0, 5. So the answer is 5. Write it below the tens place. Is there any carry over? No. So now move on to the hundreds place. Now shall we add the hundreds place now? 2 plus 7. Add 2 and 7 now. Take the first two numbers, 2 and 7. Or 7 plus 2. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. So 2 plus 7 is 9. With this 9, I'm going to add 0 to it. 9 plus 0 is 9. There is no carry over. It's a single digit number. There is no carry over. So write it the 9 directly below the hundreds place. Now let's add the thousands place now. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Add and tell me the answer now. 3 plus 2. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, I'm going to add 2 numbers. 3, 4, 5. With this 5, I'm going to add, what is the next one? 5. Add 5 to it. 5 plus 5. 5 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write 0 here and 1 will be carried over to the 10,000 place. Shall we add the 10,000 place now? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. After, keep 1 in the mind. After 1, I'm going to add only one number. 1 plus 1, 2. After 1, 2. With this 2, I'm going to add 3. With this 2, I'm going to add 3. After 2, I'm going to add 3 numbers. Keep 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. With this 5, I'm going to add the last one more to it. 5 plus 1. After 5, I'm going to add one number. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 5, 6. So write 6 below the 10,000 place. Now move on to the lakhs place. Is there any number to add? So bring down that 7 directly below. So the answer is 7,60,955. Answer is 7,60,955. First we have to add the ones place, then the tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. Third one, we are going to add the 3 numbers. 1 lakh 5,032. 1 lakh 5,032. Second number, 2,67,914. Third number, 3,10,578. We are going to add these 3 numbers now. Shall we add now? First we'll add the ones place, right? So add 2 plus 4 now. After 2, I'm going to add 4 numbers. 2 in the mind. After 2, I'm going to add 4 numbers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With this 6, I am going to add 8 more to it. After 6, I am going to add 8 more. 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's a 2-digit number. So write 4 here and this 1 is carried over to the tens place. So 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4 I have written in below the ones place. 1 is carried over to the tens place. Shall we add the tens place now? 1 plus 3. Add 1 and 3 and tell me the answer now. Or 3 plus 1. After 3 I am going to add only one number. 3 plus 1 is 4. With this 4, I am going to add one more to it. 4 plus 1. After 4, I am going to add one more number. 4 after 4, 5. With this 5, I am going to add 7 more. With this 5, I am going to add 7 more to it. After 5 or 7 plus 5, keep 7 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a 2-digit number. So write 2 in the ones place. Sorry, tens place. 2 below the tens place. And 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Shall we add the hundreds place now? 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. With this 1, I am going to add 9 more to it. Or else 9 plus 1. After 9, I am going to add one number. 9 plus 1. 9 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 9, 10. Only one number, 10. With this 10, I am going to add next number is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1. So 10 plus 5 is 15. After 10, I am going to add 5 numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So writing 5 below the hundreds place. 1 is carried over to the thousands place. Shall we add the thousands place now? 1 plus 5. Add else 5 plus 1. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 5, 6. So 6. With this 6, I am going to add 7 more to it. 6 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7 is 13. Next, we have 0. So 13 plus 0 is 13. So write 3 in the thousands place and 1 is carried over to the 10,000 place. Shall we add the 10,000 place now? 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then adds next number is 6. 6 plus 1. After 6 I am going to add only one number. 6 plus 1. After 6, 1. 7. With 7 I am going to add one more to it. After 7 I am going to add one number. 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. So write 8 below the 10,000 place. Is there any carry over? No. So write the number directly. Next we will add the lakhs place. 1 plus 2. After 1 I am going to add 2 numbers. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3. With this 3 I am going to add 3 more to it. 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 below the last place. Answer is 6,83,524. 6,83,524. D sum. We are going to add 58,764, 1,025, 88. We are going to add 58,764, 1,025 and 88. Shall we add these three numbers? So we'll add the ones place. 4 plus 5. 4 and 5. 4 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. With this 9, I am going to add 8 more. 9 plus 8. Add 9 to 8. 9 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. So write 7 here and this 1 is carried forward to the tens place. Shall we add the tens place now? Yes. 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1. I'm going to keep 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 1, 7. With this 7, I'm going to add 2 more. After 7, I'm going to add 2 more. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. With this 9, I'm going to add 8 more. Again, after 9, I'm going to add 8 numbers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So again 17, write 7 in the below the tens place and 1 is carried forward to the hundreds place. Shall we add the hundreds place now? 1 plus 7 or 7 plus 1. 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 1, you're going to add 1 number, 8. With this 8, I'm going to add 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. So write below, there is no carry over. So write the number directly below the hundreds place, 8. Now move on to the thousands place now. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. After 8, I'm going to add only 1 number. 8 plus 1. I'm keeping 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, I'm going to add 1 number. 8 plus 1 is 9. So write it below the thousands place. Then move on to the 10,000 place. Is there any number to add? We have only 1 number. So bring down that number 5 below the 10,000 place. So the answer is 59,877. 59,877. Find the missing digits. Find the missing digits. Here some numbers are missed out that we are going to find out. Shall we? Yes. So I'll see answers. The sum is also given. Addends, these addends and one addend is missed out. That we are going to find out. See first we'll see the first addend. One question mark that we are going to find out. See, we'll see from the ones place. In this 8 is given and 1 is given, answer the sum is given. This addend is missed out, that we are going to find out. Then next in the second one, tens place, we have 6, the sum is 0. In what number will come, that we are going to find out. Shall we find out the missed out numbers now? Yes. So we have to start from the ones place, right? So now the answer we know, right? 1. And one addend is there, right? That also we know. So 1 is, the answer sum is less than 8, right? 1 is less than 8. So what we have to do? We have to add to 8 in such a way that the number, we have to add a number to 8 in such a way that the unit place. Say if I add 2 more, what will be the number? 8 plus 2, 10, right? So the unit place, this is the unit place. That unit place should be 1, correct? So since this 1, the sum is less than the addend, so what we have to do? We have to find a number such that so we have to find out a number with 8, what number we should add so that the unit place will be 1. With 8, what number we'll add so that you will get unit place 1? So 8 plus 1, if we add 9, so no. 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. So no. 8 plus 3 shall we add? After 8, 9, 10, 11. With 8, I'm going to add 3 numbers. So 8 plus 3, 11. So we got the unit place sum as 1, right? So this one I'm writing it here. So what number should come here? What number is missed out there? 3. With 8 I should add 3 so that the answer will be 11, right? So 1 I'm writing it here. That 1 I'm carrying it over to the tens place. So what number is missed out? 3 is missed out. With 8 I should add a number in such a way that the unit place should be 1. Now move on to the tens place now. Don't forget to add the carryover, right? Now 1 plus 6. What is 1 plus 6? 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. See, here also answer is 0. 0 is less than 7. In this case also, you're going to add With 7, one numbers in such a way that the unit place is 0. With 7, what number will add so that the unit place will get 0? Shall we add 2 more? We'll try with 2 more. After 7, I'm going to add 2 more numbers. 7, 8, 9. No. So what we have to do? Shall we add 3 more to it? Yes. After 7, I'm going to add 3 more to it. We'll see now. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got the unit place this as 0, right? So this one I'm carrying out the hundreds place. So what number is missed out? So 3. So 1 plus 6 is 7. So 7 plus 3 is 10, right? So 7 plus 3. If I add 7 to 3, the answer will be 10. So 3, write 3 in the missed out place. 3. So 0, that one will be carried over to the hundreds place, right? Now we'll see the hundreds place. What number is missed out? So now add the 1 and this number is missed out. So 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is, after 6 I'm going to add 1 number, right? 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Here also see the answer is 2. It is less than 7, right? So with what? With 7, what number? 1 plus 6 is 7. What number I should add so that the unit place I'll get 2? 7. With 7, what number I should? 7 plus 4 shall we add? 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Unit place is 1 only. That is wrong then. So shall we add 5 more to 7? After 7, I'm going to add 5 more numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. So the unit place is 2, right? This one I'm carrying over to the next one. So what number is missed out? So 5. So write 5. So add now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. We got the answer, right? So 5 is missed out. So write 5 here. Now shall we move on to the next one? Thousands place. Add the 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 or 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. With this 5, what number I should add? See, 5. The answer is 7. Right? So it is answer 7. It is greater than, right? So 7, it is greater than 5. So or else we can do like this. If we subtract the sum minus one addend, we will get the other addend. If we subtract 7 minus 1 addend, 7 minus 5, 2. So that in that way also we can write. Or else now 4 plus 1 is 5. With 5, what number I should add so that I will get 7? With 5, what number I should? 5, 6, 7. So how many numbers I have to add? 2 more numbers, right? So write 2 here. One way is you can just calculate 5 plus what number I should add? 5 plus what number I should add so that I will get the answer as 7. 5, 6, 7. So 2 numbers have added. So write 2 here, or else. So with 7, subtract 5. 7 minus 5, the answer will be 2. Write 2 here. Then we'll move on to the next one. 1. The sum is 3. Sum is greater, right? If the sum is greater, then so now with 1, what number I should add so that I will get the answer as 3? 1. After 1, I'm going to add. Shall I add 1 plus 2? So 3. I didn't get. So after 1, I'm going to add 2, 3. I got 3 answer, right? So how many numbers I have to add? 2 numbers. So I write 2 here. After 1, I'm going to add 2 numbers. After 1, 2, 3. How many numbers I've added? 2 numbers. So write 2 in the missed out place. Understood, children? Or else you can subtract the sum minus 1 added. 3 minus 1 is 2. Like that also you can write. So you know how to find out the missed out numbers, right? We'll see one more sum. So 6, 3 and some numbers. See here some numbers are missed out that we are going to find it out now. Shall we? Yes. So first one, 5 is there, 1 is there. So now add this 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. So we don't know this, right? So that we are going to find it out, right? So 5 plus 1 is, after 5 I'm going to add only one number. 5 plus 1, 6. What is the sum? 9. It is greater, right? So it is greater. If it is greater, we can add, we can subtract this directly. 9 minus 6. 9 numbers. I'm taking 6 numbers. So if I take 6 numbers, what will be the answer? 3. You can write 3 directly. Or else with 6, what number I should add so that I will get 9? After 6, how many numbers I should add? 6, 7, till 9 you should count. 6 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many numbers I've added? 3 numbers. So write 3 in the missed out place. Now, shall we move on to the next place? Sorry, this is the ones place and this is the tens, hundreds, thousand, little mistake. So now shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Now 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8 is, now this number we are going to find out, right? 0 plus 8 is 8. What is the sum? 2. It is less than, right? So we are going to add what number we should add to 8 so that the unit place is 2. With 8, what number I should add? Shall we add 3 more to it and we'll see? After 8, 9, 10, 11. Whether the unit place is 2? No. So add 4 more to it. With 8, so 0 plus 8 is 8. I'm adding 4 more to it. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got the answer as 12, right? So with 8, I'm going to add 4 more number. So the answer is 4 here. So with 8 plus 4 is 12, right? So 2 I'm writing it here. And this 1 I'm carrying over to the hundreds place. This is hundreds place. Now, shall we see what number is missed down in the hundreds place now? Yes. Now, 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. Now, 7 plus 0 is 7. See the answer, 6. It is less than, right? So, with 7, what number I should add so that I'll get the unit place as 6? With 7, what number I should add? We'll see now. After 7, I'm going to add 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sorry. This one you have to add. 1 plus 7 is 8. This 1 plus, don't forget to add the carry over. 1 plus 7 is 8. With 8, what number I should add so that the unit place will be 6? So 8, we'll see what number. 8 after 8, 9. But the unit place is 6? No. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we got 6 in the unit place, right? So how many numbers have added? 8 numbers, right? So with 8, if I add 8 more numbers, I'll get the unit place as 16, right? So 6 I will write here. 1 will be carried over to the next place. So what number is missed out? 8. Now next one. Now add this 1 plus 3. 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. With 4, I'm adding 4 more to it. 4 plus 4, 8. Now see the sum. 1. It is less than 8. Again, we have to see that the unit place will be 1. With 8, what number I should add? 8. After 8, 9, 10. 10 unit place is 0. 11. Unit place is 1, right? 8 plus 3 if I add 11. So unit place is 1. We got, right? So what number I should add? 3. That 3 you are going to write it here. The missed out place. So that one I'm carrying over to the next place. Shall we add the 10,000 place now? Yes. 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1? 7. Now with this 7, we're going to add 2 more. 7 plus 2 is 9. Yes. With 9, what number I should add so that the unit place is 0? After 9, I'll add one more number, 10. If I add one more to it, I'll get 10, right? So I should write 1 in the missed out place. Write 1 in the missed out place. Then move on to the next one. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 3. 6. Now answer is 7. 7, 6. So 7 is greater. Now tell me what number I should add with 6 so that answer will be 7. With 6, what number I should add? 6 plus 1. So write 1 in this place. 6 plus 1 is 7. So you all know how to find out the missed out numbers, right children? We'll see next time, one more time in the next class. See you in the next class children. Revise, practice well the sums. See you in the next class. Thank you.